In this video, I'll show you how to put two tables side by side in Google Docs. The first thing to know is that Google Docs does not currently have a direct built-in option to place two separate tables next to each other as independent floating objects. Google's official community guidance points to a workaround instead. Create one outer table with two columns, then place one table inside the left cell and the other table inside the right cell. Google's Docs help also confirms that Docs supports inserting and editing tables, and it supports text columns separately. But text columns are mainly for flowing text, rather than for arranging two independent tables side by side. So here's the easiest method. Open your document and place your cursor where you want the two tables to appear. Then go to Insert, choose Table, and create a simple outer table with one row and two columns. This outer table will act like a container, with the left cell holding one table and the right cell holding the other. Next, click inside the left cell of that outer table. Then go to Insert, choose Table again, and create the first table with the number of rows and columns you need. After that, click inside the right cell of the outer table and insert the second table the same way. This gives you two separate inner tables positioned side by side on the page. Once both tables are inserted, you can resize them so they fit better. Google's Table Help says you can drag table borders to resize columns and rows, and you can also right-click to distribute rows or columns evenly if needed. That helps keep the two tables looking balanced and easier to read. Now, if you do not want the outer container table to be visible, you can make it look hidden. A common workaround shared in the Google Docs community is to keep the outer table only as a layout guide and reduce or remove its visible border styling so the page looks like it contains just two tables sitting next to each other. You might wonder if Google Docs columns can do the same thing. Docs does let you split text into columns from Format, then Columns. But that feature is meant for text flowing like a newspaper layout. It is not the best tool when you want two fixed tables side by side that stay aligned independently. So the full process is simple. Insert a 1x2 outer table, place one table inside the left cell, place the second table inside the right cell, resize both tables, and hide the outer table border if you want a cleaner look. That is the easiest workaround for putting two tables side by side in Google Docs today. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.